Okay, so I had this I think like last year. But I want to recreate this. I mean, this came like this, like a half wig and a ponytail. So a half up and a half down. But I want to make it with the sewing machine and then these bundles. So okay, I'm gonna do this with this ponytail sleeve I found on Facebook where you can like glue the tricks around here or sew them. I'm gonna sew mine. And it comes with like a drawstring in it, and I don't think it comes with a comb, but I got a bunch of combs in here, and I'll probably put it in. And I'll probably use either the stone cat, I'll probably cut the excess out, or the regular cat. I'll let y'all know how that go. So we done. This the ponytail. And this is the wig, the half wig. Well, of course I gotta co-wash it, but yeah. Motherfucking teeth in. Alright. 6 up. I'm trying to get this bitch off a minute. Yeah. Of course, it's got massive combs. And I ain't gonna leave no hair out. My hair braided in the back. This is my first time trying it on with y'all, so. And it's got like a comb in every corner of the wig. Oh, she's snug. Motherfucker ain't going nowhere. Whew. Let me use the mirror to see the top. You looking good, Lottie. Alright, this is my first time putting this ponytail on. And I did put a comb in it because I like combs, so. There she go. Whew, that motherfucker snug too. That's that for now. Every time I curl my hair, yo, I feel like I look like his ass.